Next on our list is the indication of specialties. Simply click Specialties left, which will take you to the screen. We have a number of specialties here that you can choose to show in your profile or not show in your profile. If you are an expert photographer, click Show in Profile, and it will show up in your public profile where your clients can see this. Clients are also able to search by specialty. If you want to make it once again invisible, you simply click it again and it becomes invisible on your profile. If clients now search for a expert photographer, they will no longer find your profile. Please be aware of this.